Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on HOTWAV Note 12. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, and now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try out Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications from this app, or you can click not now. And your Firefox browser is now all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.